Hello students. Now in this video, I will demonstrate to you how to construct an ascribed circle to a triangle. Now basically an ascribed circle is a circle that is constructed to a plane figure that touches two extended line of that plane figure on one side. Okay, so the circle must touch one side of the figure and two extended sides. All right, so I'll show you a little bit of what I mean as it relates to that during the construction. So we'll be constructing the ascribed circle to a triangle. Now what I want to do is just change the measurement of the triangle from 80 to 60. All right, because we'd have to extend a few lines, a few sides, and 80 might be a little bit too large. Good, so using 60 mm, we'd construct a triangle. And again, I don't have to take you through the steps in how to construct a triangle. Everybody should be able to do that on their own. And point to note, this here is an equilateral triangle. All right, so all the sides are equal. If you were given different measurements, then you had to use different measurements when constructing the triangle. So we are in the process of constructing the triangle whose sides are 60 mm each. Good, so that's the triangle. Now, what you would have to do next is extend two sides. So let's just say we extend AB. All right, we extend AB. And we extend AC. I did not label, so you probably may not know which is AC and which is AB, but I'll just label that shortly. All right, so I extend AB and AC. So let me just bring that down. A little bit. Good. Let me label also A, B, and C. Good. So for this particular construction, we need to bisect the two exterior angles that are created after you would have extended these lines. All right, so this angle that is created here and this one that is created here, we bisect those two angles. All right, we bisect those two angles. So I'll take you through the steps in how you bisect. Well, of course, I wouldn't go in details. I'll just demonstrate how it's done. Bisection of angle is something that, again, you should have knowledge of. So we bisect the angle. Bisection of angle simply means that we are looking for the center of the angle, or we are dividing the angle in half. And again, accuracy is very important here. So we finish one, and we will draw the line through the intersection, and you extend it a bit long because you want it to intersect with the next one. Good, so you go from C and you bisect that other angle also. All right, you describe the arc, then you go from one end of the arc. Can open the pencil point a little bit more just to get some space. Describe an arc in the middle. Then with the same measurement, you go from the other end and you intersect this arc. Now, when you finish, you simply draw a line from C through that point of intersection and extend it to intersect the previous bisector. And where that intersect each other, we label that O, right? That now would become the center of the circle. So from that center, we open our pair of compasses to the side. Let me just adjust this a little. So from O, we adjust it to touch the side of the rectangle, the triangle, right? It could be the side BC, depending on where you extend the line. Now this must also touch the extended line, both extended lines rather, right? Both extended lines, it must touch. All right, it must touch both extended lines. Points to note, again, you need to be accurate. If you are not accurate, something like this would happen. It would touch one side and cut other sides or probably miss other sides, right? So you need to be accurate when you're doing these constructions. And again, the software, it does not allow me to use the direct measurements from time to time, right? Because I'm trying to open this pair of compasses, sometimes it does not give you the precise measurement that you're using or that you would like to use. All right, so those are the steps in how you construct this Escribed circle. All right. There are no variations except, if you extend the line in this direction and you extend this direction, then the circle would come over this side. Or you can extend the base that direction and this direction, and the circle would come at the bottom, right? So any side, any two sides, you can extend and then complete this particular construction. All right, so that's it for this construction. I trust that it would have helped you in completing your task. And I'll see you during another video. Goodbye.